Yo Fighters Mortal Kombat Legacy Collections launch just leaked for September 29, packing the first 4 classic games and more. Is this the ultimate MK nostalgia trip? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest gaming news. Let's dive into this brutal leak. IGN reported a leaked September 29 launch date for Mortal Kombat Legacy Collection on the Xbox app. Announced at Sony's State of Play in June, this collection set to bring classic MK action to PC, PlayStation, Xbox, and Switch. Want the full scoop? Keep watching! Mortal Kombat Legacy Collection, developed by Digital Eclipse, compiles arcade, home console, and portable versions of the first 4 Mortal Kombat games, MK1 through MK4, plus select handheld entries. Expect iconic fatalities, combos, and that retro vibe, all polished for modern platforms with online play support. This isn't just a re-release. The collection includes an interactive documentary diving into MK's history, interviews with original developers, and detailed character timelines. It's a love letter to fans, offering context for every bloody punch. The leaked September 29 date, spotted on Xbox's app, has fans buzzing, though Digital Eclipse hasn't confirmed it yet. Mortal Kombat Legacy Collection could be a knockout for retro fans and new players, blending nostalgia with online battles and deep franchise lore. With a potential launch in just 2 months, it's poised to rival other classic collections. Is this the definitive way to play MK's early days? Whether the September 29th date holds or not, Mortal Kombat Legacy Collection is coming soon. Wishlist it on Xbox, PlayStation, Steam, or Switch, and brace for classic combat. Which MK game's your favorite? Drop it below. That's the scoop on Mortal Kombat Legacy Recollections leaked launch. Are you hyped for online MK1 battles or that dev documentary? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more gaming updates.